So, in Mr. P's research team, we got the normals, Bunny, Badgie, and Sheepy, and whoever else there is. But there's also Beary, and you may be asking, Dad, why are you bringing up this character? Well, I'm talking about Beary due to the fact that I find it weird that he was the only one of Mr. P's research team that was still in the hospital. Now, I did bring this up to Piggytheories, but it was used more like a fact than a question. But anyway, I'm gonna give my theory on why Beary was the only researcher that was left in the hospital. Hello, Internet! Welcome to Piggytheories. Oh, wait, that's already taken. Hello, Internet! Welcome to THEOR.
Nope. I give up. Nope.
So when you play Book 1, Chapter 6, the bot is Beary, which at first you don't really think about it until you find out he was a part of Mr. P's research team. So let's first go over what happened to every other research member, starting with Bunny. The player met her in the school chapter until we blacked out, and then we were taken to the hospital on a helicopter with Mr. P. But then he just leaves us. So then the player and Bunny goes to the metro to escape on a train, but she gets infected, so Bunny is still most likely infected in the metro. And now Badgie. I do believe Badgie was still alive at the time of Book 1, Chapter 6, but then got infected by the time of Book 1, Chapter 12. So now for the last one, Sheepy. She was the bot of Book 1, Chapter 4, which I believe after Pony infected Doggy, we'll let Sheepy get into the forest, and she is still most likely in the forest now. And now that leaves us with Beary, which I believe Badgie and Bunny were still alive during Chapter 6, so that eliminates them for the rest of the theory. My main focus is going to be on Sheepy. Due to Sheepy being the bot of Chapter 4, I think Beary and Sheepy were most likely infected around the same time. But however, I think Sheepy left the hospital before she fully turned infected. But Beary stayed to help people escape the hospital. But after everyone got out, he turned infected, and then the player woke up in Chapter 6, and the rest is history. So there's my theory on why Beary is the only researcher from Mr. P's research team that's still in the hospital to this day. See y'all later!